Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to activate QuickBooks. First, after installing the software, open it up. You will typically see an activation prompt appear automatically. It is crucial to have your unique license number and product number handy. These are usually found in your purchase confirmation email or on the product packaging. Entering these correctly is the very first step to getting your QuickBooks up and running smoothly. For online activation, which is the most common method, simply select the Activate or Register option when prompted. Carefully input your 20-digit license number and the 6-digit product number into the designated fields. Double-check for any typos before proceeding. Then, click Next and follow any additional on-screen instructions to finalize the process. QuickBooks will connect to Intuit servers to verify your details, usually completing within a few seconds. If online activation isn't successful, perhaps due to internet issues, you can opt for manual activation. Select the Activate by Phone or Manual Activation option. You will then need to call Intuit support and provide them with your installation and product codes displayed on your screen. The support agent will give you a validation code. Carefully enter this multi-digit code back into QuickBooks to complete the activation process manually. Encountering issues during activation can be frustrating, but there are solutions. First, ensure your internet connection is stable and active. Next, meticulously re-enter your license and product numbers, as even one incorrect digit can cause problems. If issues persist, do not hesitate to contact QuickBooks customer support. They can provide specific guidance and help resolve more complex activation challenges, ensuring your software is ready for use.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.